Hello everyone. Today we are doing a double Dutch pour. In this technique we have used coconut oil in the paints. The coconut oil helps in merging the paints very well.
So now I will explain the products that we are going to use. This is the white base paint that we will be using as our pillow paint. We will be spreading this on our canvas before we apply all the other colors. This is the untinted base paint which we will be mixing as in our colored paints. This will act as our pouring medium. As you can see, the pouring medium is very thick. We have to make it into a flowing consistency. So add your paint in this pouring medium. Mix it thoroughly. Take the colors from all the corners and mix it really well. As you can see, it is still very thick. We'll have to add a little water to make it into a flowy consistency. Add a little water at a time. Mix it well. Check the consistency. The color has to fall off the stick smoothly. This is the white base paint. As you can see, even this is very thick. We'll add a little water. Mix it well. Check the consistency. Still thick, needs a little more water. The paint has to fall off the stick very smoothly. Now if you are using the tube paints, these are thicker than the bottle paints, so you'll have to
Add a little more water and pouring medium. Spread the base paint evenly all over. Remember, the base paint has to be a little thinner, flowy. If it is thick, the paint will crack after the painting has dried. The paints that we are using today are turquoise blue, olive green, pale emerald, golden yellow, lemon yellow. Add a little black. Add 3 or 4 drops of coconut oil in each shade. Coconut oil helps to blend the colors very well. They flow really well. And the white paint that we are adding now, it gives a lot of lace to the painting. Some thin lines you will find in the painting which are called lacing. It really adds to the beauty of the painting. dull. So I removed that portion and now I am retouching it. Final retouching can be done with the straw.